Justice, by definition, is the fair and proper administration of laws. If there's one place that has justice, it's the Supreme Court. A court is a governmental body consisting of one or more judges who sit to adjudicate disputes and administer justice. Courts and justice give us freedom. Freedom is having legal and political rights, or enjoying political and civil liberty. Integration. The greatest factor of freedom may not even exist if it hadn't been for the ruling of the Supreme Court in the case of Brown v. Board of Education. Segregation was permitted by the Supreme Court in the ruling of Plessy v. Ferguson. In the ruling, the court stated that segregation was constitutional as long as the facilities provided were equal, therefore creating the separate but equal doctrine. Linda Brown, a third grader attending a black elementary school in Topeka, Kansas, had to walk 1 mile through a railroad switchyard to get to her black elementary school, even though a white elementary school was merely 7 blocks away. Linda's father, Oliver Brown, attempted to enlist Linda in the white elementary school, but was rejected by the principal. The National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, or NAACP, was eager to help the Browns in this case. In his testimony, their expert witness, Dr. Hugh W. Spear, said,
"If the colored children are denied the experience in school of associating with white children who represent 90% of our national society in which these colored children must live, then the colored child's curriculum is being greatly curtailed. The Topeka curriculum or any school curriculum cannot be equal under segregation."
In response to this statement, the Board of Education stated that because segregation in Topeka and elsewhere pervaded many other aspects of life, segregated schools simply prepared black children for the segregation they would face during adulthood. The court ruled in favor of Brown, and thus repelling the separate but equal doctrine. After the ruling of Brown v. Board of Education, it was cases like Little Rock 9 that perfected the integration laws. If it hadn't been for the ruling of the Supreme Court, segregation would still be a major factor in people's lives.